Hey there, and welcome to part 2 of my All Things Hiring series. In today's video, we're going to explore why it's essential to define your ideal stylist. If you are building a dream team, you've come to the right place. Let's get into it. In the last video, we talked about how your hiring process should look a lot like your client acquisition process. And the first layer of your funnel is the awareness layer. This is how your ideal stylist becomes aware of who you are. If you haven't watched that video, go back and start there. Okay, now that you've watched part 1, let's talk about why knowing your ideal stylist is crucial. Just like identifying your target market helps you know who you're talking to online, defining the kind of stylist you want helps you attract the right person for your team. When a stylist is looking for a job and they come across you on social media, they want to see the inside of your salon. They want to peek into your guest experience, and they want to see how your team interacts with each other. This will cause them to think, OMG, this must be the place for me. So if you haven't already defined who your ideal stylist is, grab some paper and a pencil, or just open up a Google Doc and go ahead and just start brainstorming everything you can think of about the ideal stylist. How do they show up? Do they show up early? Do they look the part? What does that mean to you? What kind of attitude do they have? Are they somebody who goes above and beyond? What kind of character do they have? What kind of values do they have? All of this is really important when defining your ideal stylist. If you have a current team already, get them together and have them brainstorm with you. Your current team is a really good resource when looking to pick a new team member. Now that you have a better definition of your ideal stylist, start making Instagram posts that attract that stylist. For example, if you are a sustainable salon, you would be posting about how you are sustainable and what that means to you. And if a green loving stylist comes across your Instagram page, that's going to be a tick in the box for that stylist. If you're looking to attract a stylist that values guest experience, you want them to see what your guest experience looks like. So make sure to capture content of, maybe the drinks and snacks you offer or the head massage, things like that would attract that stylist to want to work in your salon. And what's cool about this strategy is that it also attracts your clients, like showcasing that you're sustainable, showcasing your guest experience, that also attracts your ideal client as well. I know that these methods work because in the last year, I've had almost 160 applications to work in my 8-chair salon. We have people knocking down the doors wanting to work at our salon. And I think part of the problem is that other salons in our area, they're not showcasing who they are truly to the world. They're showcasing that they can do great hair. They're showcasing the backs of clients' heads. But at this point in the hair game, that is just expected. Now they want to see what sets you apart, what makes you different. And stylists want to see that as well. So by changing up the way you post and showcasing your space and your face, you will attract stylists and clients alike. Remember, the more precise you are about who you want on your team, the better your chances are of building a dream team that reflects your salon's values and goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If I'm leaving anything out, drop it in the comments. Let's continue this conversation. Part 3 is coming soon. And in that video, we're going to dive into how honest you should be during the interview process. If you need to level up your hiring system, look no further. Depending on when you're watching this, either hop on the waitlist or go ahead and grab my ebook on all things hiring. This is where I give you the whole process, everything, forms, interview questions. Literally everything that I use in my business for hiring and how I've attracted almost 200 stylists to my salon in the last year. I'm giving it to you. Take the guesswork out of hiring and start being strategic. See you on the next one. Bye.